Hi, I'm Joe Flack from the PMA 2020 engineering team. Today, I want to show you how to get up and running with XFormTest. To get started, let's first go and check out the documentation. You can find it at xform-test.pma2020.org. There's documentation on quick start, installation, basic usage, how to create tests, syntax, and more. We're going to take a look at the quick start. So before we start, just to kind of give an overview of what XFormTest is, it's basically a tool for creating and running tests on your XForms. This also works on XLSForm Excel files. So if you're programming in ODK, it's extremely useful to do automated testing to ensure the quality of your forms. So your prerequisites, you're going to need Java 8 and also access to an XLSForm to XForm converter, which is pretty easy. There's a XLSForm online that's free. If you have an internet connection, you can use that. There's an offline version as well, and if you're a command line person, there's PyXForm. After you have those prerequisites filled out or taken care of, the next step would be to download XFormTest. And then for the rest of this quick start, we'll just download an example XLSForm and convert it to XML, and then we'll run the test command. So let's download XFormTest first. This link will take you to the GitHub releases page. You can see that there are some future releases right now that are currently in draft. You'll want to go down to the latest release and download the jar file. Then you'll want to download the example XLSForm. You'll see that this is an Excel file, so we want to convert that now to XML. So let's use XLSForm Online to do that. Alrighty, I've got my XML. Next thing you'll want to do is to run this command. It says to replace the XYZ here with the Java jar version, which is 0.1.0. So we'll go ahead and do that. These are on my desktop, so I'll go ahead and open up a new terminal window at the desktop. You're going to type java-jar space, then the jar file, followed by the XML file. Let's see what happens. Success! And that's how you get up and running with XFormTest.